Okay, good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to tackle about compounds and molecules under Science 8 Quarter 2 and of Week 4. Objectives: differentiate between elements and compounds. Value the importance of compounds in daily life and construct a visual chart of common compounds. Define molecules and explain how they differ from compounds, and show interest in exploring molecular science. Okay, have you ever used salt? What if I told you it's made of a metal and poisonous gas? So if we're going to identify, sodium is a metal and chlorine is a poisonous gas. But if we're going to combine that results to salt or the sodium chloride. Okay, what is compound? A compound is a substance made when two or more elements combined chemically. Fixed ratio of elements, example, the H2O combination of 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. Properties change when elements form compounds. Example, sodium is reactive, chlorine is toxic, but sodium chloride is edible. So pag nag-combine na, which is salt, ano na siya, pwede nang makain or ipinangtitimpla nga sa pagkain. But if we are going to study the individual atom involved or an individual element involved, sodium, that is reactive, highly reactive. And chlorine is toxic. Another one, water, combination of 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. And then table salt, sodium chloride, sodium and chlorine. Carbon dioxide, combination of carbon and 2 atoms of oxygen. If we are going to compare elements and compound, elements are pure, compounds mixed but fixed. Here are the major differences between elements and compound. If we are going to define element is a pure substance made up of only one kind of atom. That is element. When you say compound, a substance made by chemically combining 2 or more different elements. So pag pinagsama mo ng dalawa o higit pang element or atom, that is already compound. Composition contains a single type of atom. A compound contains atoms of 2 or more elements bonded together. Okay, examples of element: oxygen, gold, iron, hydrogen. Yung mga nasa periodic table of element natin. So lahat yun element. From hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, so on and so forth. And element can be broken down. The question is, can be broken down? No. It cannot be broken into simpler substance by chemical means. Okay, what about compound? Compound examples are water, combination of hydrogen and oxygen, carbon dioxide, table salt, sugar. Pwede ba siyang, it can be broken? The answer is yes. It can be broken into simpler substances or its element. It can be, halimbawa yung tubig po, H2O, pwede po yun ma-separate through electrolysis. Or yung sa, sa photosynthesis, by means of light, nagsiseparate ang hydrogen and oxygen, and then oxygen ang itatapon sa air, ang gagamitin is hydrogen. Okay, appearance. Element usually appears as a metal, non-metal, or gas. And compound can look very different from the element it's made of. So, kumbaga, kapag nag-combine na sa ibang element, totally nagiging different na siya dun sa individual element involved in that compound. In the periodic table, all elements are found in the periodic table of element. Compounds are not listed in the periodic table. Kasi nga, combination na siya ng mga element. So, napakarami na kung ano natin ang combination. The probability of creating compound ay napakalaki ng bilang. Okay, elemental molecule. Dito naman po tayo sa molecule. What is molecule? Yun, elemental molecule and compound molecule. For example, oxygen gas, combination of 2 oxygen. Pag sinabi naman natin compound molecule, combination of 2 or more different kinds of element. Yung sa elemental po, isang uri lang ng element na nag-combine, bawa dalawang oxygen. Okay, bonding. Atoms may bond using shared electrons or the covalent bonds. Example, water, oxygen gas, carbon dioxide, glucose.